Keto chocolate covered bacon. Warning, viewer discretion advised. Fry your bacon. I like an air fryer because it's easy, no mess, and I get to save my bacon fat. Get a bag of sugar-free chocolate chips. Lillys stevia sweetened chocolate chips are unbelievable. And like sugary chocolate chips, microwave them for 30 seconds and then repeat at 10-second intervals until fully melted. Yeah, that tastes every bit as good as it looks. Add unsweetened shredded coconut and almond slivers for crunch. Mix it up and carefully dip your bacon. The hardest part about this is not eating all of your ingredients. Oh yeah. All that's left is to refrigerate for 15 minutes. Crispy, crunchy, sweet, salty, 100% keto, baby. For recipes and more, subscribe to Keto Crush on YouTube and follow me on IG at 𝗕𝗰𝗿𝗗𝗍. Keto Crush. Eat healthy, look hot.